does black crude oil become the petrol that powers your engine? Watch till the end. The final step will surprise you. It begins offshore, where massive rigs drill deep beneath the ocean floor. This thick black liquid is the raw material of petrol. Crude oil is collected and pushed through heavy pipelines, or shipped across oceans in giant oil tankers. At port, huge hoses unload the crude safely. Pipelines carry it to a refinery for processing. A refinery separates crude into useful fuels. First, the crude is stored in massive tanks. Next, it is heated to extremely high temperatures. The hot oil turns into vapor. The vapor enters a tall distillation column. Different fuels separate based on boiling points. Petrol forms at a specific level inside the tower. Heavier oils sink, lighter gases rise. Diesel and kerosene are collected separately. Light gases are captured for other uses. The refinery carefully controls every step. Heavy oils are sent for further processing. This process is called cracking. Large molecules are broken into smaller ones. This increases petrol production. Impurities like sulfur are removed. Cleaner fuel means better performance. Samples are tested in laboratories. Octane levels are adjusted precisely. Additives are blended for engine protection. Now the petrol is refined and clear. It is stored again, ready for delivery. Petrol flows into distribution pipelines. Tanker trucks are loaded carefully. Every liter is measured accurately. Control rooms monitor everything. Trucks begin their journey to cities. Fuel travels across highways daily. A network ensures constant supply. Trucks arrive at petrol stations. Fuel is pumped into underground tanks. It waits for the next driver. You lift the nozzle and start fueling. Petrol enters your engine. Controlled combustion releases energy. That energy moves your car forward. From deep underground to your engine, that's how petrol is made.